Physiological coherence and energetic systems are among important aspects, and systems are our internal life and overall living system. Actually, when we talk about energetic system of human body, energetic systems, the systems that indicate and evaluate the actions and reactions and some actions and functions of our internal body in our overall living systems that we cannot touch or see, but we know that they are existed and they have more effects on our daily lives, especially our emotional lives. The most important energetic systems of human bodies are our emotional system, our thinking process or thinking system, or our emotions, thoughts, and intuitions. When we try to recognize the process of actions and reactions of our energetic systems and try our best to wisely use and efficiently use the limited level of our energy in the different aspects of our energetic systems, these processes and these actions and reactions help us to improve our overall well-being, to improve our internal coherence, especially our heart coherence and our physiological coherence. When we talk about physiological coherence is a term that initiated by some well-known researchers of Formaton Institute and some other research institutions and some other researchers. It indicates the order, harmony, and trustable and also stable actions and reactions of our rhythmic systems in our internal body, like our heart's actions and reactions, breathing, and also cardiovascular system and relationships between our heart and brain. And when our internal body, our heart actions and reactions, and the relationships between our heart and brain are in order, harmony, in a good order, in a good harmony, and also stable, it means that we are in a good physiological coherence. And also physiological coherence is a very important indicator of overall well-being of human's body, and also important indicator of a good relationship between heart and brain. That's why it is very important to know about the level of our physiological coherence and try to improve our physiological coherence and overall well-being through assessment of some particular indicators and also through the use of some particular techniques. Actually, we can assess the level of our heart coherence and our physiological coherence and the level of our overall well-being through the assessment of our heart rate variability or HRV, and also through the assessment of our heart rate coherence or HRC through the use of M waves and some other easily applicable technologies. Actually, heart rate variability and heart rate coherence are the main indicators of heart coherence and internal coherence and physiological coherence. When we have higher level of heart rate variability or higher level of heart rate coherence, it means that we have higher level of physiological coherence, and we are in a good overall well-being, and our heart and brain are in a good relationship, and they have good mutual actions and reactions in mutual communications. And we can do our duties and our actions in our work properly when we are in a good physiological coherence and a good internal coherence, and our heart and brain are have good relationships. That's why through the assessment of heart rate variability and heart rate coherence and through the use of some particular techniques, we have to try our best to use our energy wisely and efficiently based on focusing on the process of our emotional activities by self-regulation of some our emotional responses, and also our thinking processes and our intuitions, and also focusing on the importance and incomes of some important sections and processes of our life. And also we have to focus on the improvement of our internal coherence and physiological coherence through the improvement of our heart rate variability and heart rate coherence. Because when we have higher heart rate variability or higher heart coherence, it means that our body is in a good situation, and we are in a good overall well-being, and we can do everything properly and effectively. I'm Dr. Abdul Qahar Sarwari. If you think such information and videos are helpful and you want to receive some more, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.